After completion of introduction of commerce, next we'll go into the chapters, unit 1. So as I told you, before understanding the commerce, we need to understand what is business. That's why here the first unit we have totally regarding the business. See, human activities can be divided into two types. One is non-economic activity, another one is economic activity. So what is non-economic activity? The non-economic activity is nothing but every human being performs some activities without involving the money or money's worth. It means rendering services to our family, friends, relatives or to the neighbors without taking any amount or anything in return. That is called as non-economic activity. Any work if you are performing and you are not taking anything in return, that is called as non-economic activity. Next, the another human activity is economic activity. Every human being, for his livelihood purpose, he performs some economic activity through which he earns his livelihood. That is called as economic activity. It means under the economic activities, a person get something in return, that is money or money's worth. That is called as here economic activity. So with an example, I will explain you the difference between non-economic activity and economic activity. For example, if your mother is cooking at home, that is called as non-economic activity. If your mother is cooking at home, she will not take anything in return, you are not giving any amount to her, that is called as non-economic activity. If a chef is cooking at hotel or in a restaurant, so he takes something in return, that is called as economic activity. Understood the difference? Your mother is cooking at home, not taking anything, but a chef is cooking at hotel or in restaurant, he takes something in return, that is called as economic activity. So here economic activity can also be divided into three parts. Classification of economic activity is there, that is profession, employment, and the next term will go for our business. So what is profession? See here, a profession requires specialized knowledge, qualification and registering under a body corporate, that is called as profession. So profession requires a particular qualification, particular knowledge about the field and registering ourselves into a body corporate. So here whatever the professionalist get in return, that is called as fees. He takes back fees to whom? To the clients. To whom he is dealing? Those are called as clients. Right? So example of professions, examples are there. The examples are doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, engineers are example of profession. Whereas here all these professionals must and should register themselves into the body corporate. Example, CA must and should himself, he should register himself into ICAI. He has to register himself into ICAI. He should be the member of ICAI. So once again I am explaining you, understand what is profession. Profession requires a specialized knowledge, qualification, and the professional is the person who is performing the profession must and should register himself into a body corporate. So he deals with the persons, they are called as clients, and whatever he is charging the amount, that is called as fees. As I told you, in economic activity compulsory something in return. Here the something in return is what here? Fees. Next, employment. What is employment? Actually employment is the contract of service. It is a contract of service. Who takes place here? The principal. Here It is the contract of service between the principal and agent. Who is principal? The principal is called as here employer, and the agent is called as here employee. The principal is called as here employer and an agent is called as here employee. So once again I am saying you, the employment is what? It is the contract of service between the principal and agent. The principal is called as employer, the agent is called as employee. Here after completion of service, after completion of the work, the agent or employee gets salary. Understood? Here client and fees were there. Here employee and salary or employer and salary. Something in return. Economic activity means something in return. Here what is returned to the employee? Here return is salary. He gets salary. Now third and important economic activity is what here? Business. The word business is nothing but being busy. Being busy. And it is derived the word from busyness. Why? Because the person who performs this activity is always busy with that activity. That's why it is called as busyness. The person who performs this activity is called as businessman. Businessman. And what he gets in return? He gets in return profit. He gets in return what? Profit. As I explained you earlier, it's just a general meaning of business, as it is an economic activity. As I explained you profession, employment, like that I have explained you business, what is business. But the actual meaning of business is what? Production, distribution or exchange of goods and services. Under business we involve production as well as exchange of goods and services. So like that it is your one of the topic under first unit. Hope you understood very well.